This video is presented by VoiceOver article. Mail call, bills, a letter from your Aunt Mary, a circular from a local department store, your monthly bank statement, and an offer for a new credit card that says you've been pre-screened or pre-qualified. A pre-screened offer of credit. What's that? Many companies that solicit new credit card accounts and insurance policies use pre-screening to identify potential customers for the products they offer. Pre-screened offers, sometimes called pre-approved offers, are based on information in your credit report that indicates you meet criteria set by the offerer. Usually, pre-screened solicitations come via mail, but you also may get them in a phone call or in an email. How does pre-screening work? Pre-screening works in one of two ways. A creditor or insurer establishes criteria, like a minimum credit score, and asks a consumer reporting company for a list of people in the company's database who meet the criteria, or a creditor or insurer provides a list of potential customers to a consumer reporting company and asks the company to identify people on the list who meet certain criteria. Can pre-screening hurt my credit report or credit score? Number. There will be inquiries on your credit report showing which companies obtained your information for pre-screening, but those inquiries will not have a negative effect on your credit report or credit score. Can I reduce the number of unsolicited credit and insurance offers I get? If you decide that you don't want to receive pre-screened offers of credit and insurance, you have two choices. You can opt out of receiving them for 5 years or opt out of receiving them permanently. Call toll-free 1-888-5 opt-out, 1-888-567-8688. The telephone number is operated by the major consumer reporting companies. When you call, you will be asked to provide certain personal information, including your home telephone number, name, social security number, and date of birth. The information you provide is confidential and will be used only to process your request to opt out. Remember that if you have joint credit relationships, like a mortgage or a car loan with a spouse, partner, or other adult, you may continue to receive some pre-screened solicitations until both of you exercise your opt-out right. Why would someone opt out, or not? Some people prefer not to receive these kinds of offers in the mail, especially if they are not in the market for a new credit card or insurance policy. They may prefer to opt out to limit access to their credit report information for credit and insurance solicitations, or to reduce some mailbox clutter. However, some companies send offers that are not based on pre-screening, and your federal opt-out right will not stop those kinds of solicitations. As you consider opting out, you should know that pre-screened offers can provide many benefits, especially if you are in the market for a credit card or insurance. Pre-screened offers can help you learn about what's available, compare costs, and find the best product for your needs. Because you are pre-selected to receive the offer, you can be turned down only under limited circumstances. The terms of pre-screened offers also may be more favorable than those that are available to the general public. In fact, some credit card or insurance products may be available only through pre-screened offers. Does opting out hurt my credit score? Removing your name from pre-screened lists has no effect on your ability to apply for or obtain credit or insurance. If I decide to opt out, how long will it be before I stop getting pre-screened offers? Requests to opt out are processed within 5 days, but it may take up to 60 days before you stop receiving pre-screened offers. What if I opt out and then change my mind? You can use the same toll-free telephone number or website to opt back in. Will calling 1-888-5 opt-out stop all unsolicited offers of credit and insurance? Calling the opt-out line will stop the pre-screened solicitations that are based on lists from the major consumer reporting companies. You may continue to get solicitations for credit and insurance based on lists from other sources. For example, opting out won't end solicitations from local merchants, religious and charitable associations, professional and alumni associations, and companies with which you already conduct business. To stop mail from groups like these, as well as mail addressed to occupant or resident, you must contact each source directly. What other opt-out programs should I know about? The federal government has created the National Do Not Call Registry, a free, easy way to reduce the telemarketing calls you get at home. To register your phone number or to get information about the registry, call 1-888-382-1222 from the phone number you want to register. You will get fewer telemarketing calls within 31 days of registering your number. Your number will stay on the registry for 5 years, until it is disconnected, or until you take it off the registry. After 5 years, you will be able to renew your registration. The Direct Marketing Association, DMA, a trade association for businesses in direct, database, and interactive global marketing, maintains a mail preference service that lets you opt out of receiving direct mail marketing from many national companies for 5 years. When you register with this service, your name will be put on a delete file and made available to direct mail marketers. However, your registration will not stop mailings from any organizations that are not registered with the DMA's mail preference service. This video is presented by VoiceOver article.